According to Einstein theory of energy is equal to mass into square of the speed of light. The mass in the sun's core is converted into energy and a huge amount of energy is generated there every second. How energy is generated has been around since the birth of the sun. From the birth of the sun to the present, that is, over a period of approximately 4.5 billion years. Less than 1% of the mass of the sun has been converted and used to date, but 40% of the total hydrogen in the sun has been converted into helium. Of course, if this transformation continues at this rate, the solar system will run out of hydrogen in the next 7 to 8 billion years. Traveling from the center of the sun to its visible surface, the core of the nucleus is assumed to be 25%. But above this nucleus, there is an overlap of a large, relatively quiet band. The coverage of this coverage is about 71%. The outer shell of the sun's core is constantly scratched, circulating. Clouds of superheated gases are blowing at a tremendous speed here. The energy produced in the nucleus of the sun is constantly released out of this mantle. The thickness of this cover is 48,300 kilometers. The energy emitted from the village collides with the mantle, creating a solid electromagnetic wave of enormous amounts of energy. They create electromagnetic radiation on the surface of the sun and also create a magnetic field on the sun. The surface of the sun we see is called the photosphere. Asthma is a very thin layer of mucus. This is where the sun's atmosphere bangs. The temperature of this atmosphere is about 5500 degrees Celsius. It takes 1,70,000 years for the gravitational force under the sun to reach the surface of the intense gamma rays radiation produced by the fusion at its core. During this period, the energy of these gamma rays is distributed in large quantities due to the numerous collisions with other particles inside the sun. So, when these rays come to the surface of the sun, their energy remains only in the form of visible light, in form of photons, which is a great fortune. The solar spot that is formed in the scenery is 50,000 kilometers long, can be as wide. Of course, they can be large enough to easily swallow up to 4 or 5 Earth-sized objects. These are magnetic storms formed by the proximity of heterogeneous pairs of magnetic currents to the sun. In this storm, energy is thrown up from the convection belt in the form of large arches in the atmospheric belt above the atmosphere. This section is called active zone. A kind of frequency is found in the formation of sunspots. The number of solar flares appears to increase every 11 years. This is due to the currents of the heterogeneous magnetic field that form with the convection plate. Its root cause is found in the different cyclic period in the rotation of the emission and circulation muscles. Furthermore, since the Sun is a collection of superheated gases, its surface is not as uniform as the Earth's. Of course, the rotation of the Sun around itself is not the same everywhere. So, friends, this is where the second part ends. The third part is coming soon.